What are parallel sentences in English grammar? Parallel sentences does not mean multiple sentences written parallel to each other. So, what are parallel sentences? I will straight away begin with an example. She likes swimming, jogging, and cycling. In the same sentence, three activities are listed: swimming, jogging, and cycling. This is a parallel sentence. All the activities end with ing. Here is another example. He came, he saw, he conquered. In this sentence, there is a subject and there is a verb. Also, every verb in the sentence came, saw, conquered is in past perfect. This is also a parallel sentence. Another example. He wanted to win, to lead, and to inspire. Again, multiple activities in a single sentence, but every activity is a combination of to and a verb. So, this is how a parallel sentence is written. If it has multiple activities or multiple verbs, they are expressed in the same form. To understand it better, here is a sentence that is not a parallel sentence. She likes reading, to write, and drawing. Here, two verbs are ending with ing, but one is a combination of to and a verb. I'm not going to explain the definition of parallel sentences because the definition is confusing, but I'm pretty sure that with the help of the example sentences, you have understood what parallel sentences are. 10 examples of parallel sentences. She enjoys cooking, baking, and gardening. Explanation. Each item in the list ends with ing. The coach told us to practice daily, to stay focused, and to believe in ourselves. Explanation. Each part uses a combination of to and a verb. Our company values honesty, hard work, and creativity. Explanation. All are abstract nouns in the list. My duties include filing reports, answering emails, and organizing meetings. Explanation. All the tasks use a combination of a verb and a noun in ing form. He is smart, kind, and brave. Explanation. All are adjectives describing a person. You can pay by cash, by card, or by online transfer. Explanation. Each option uses a combination of by and the payment method. She not only sings beautifully but also dances gracefully. Explanation. Both verbs are in present tense and describe an ability. Also, the adverbs beautifully and gracefully end with ly. We are planning to visit the museum, to watch a movie, and to eat dinner out. Explanation. Each part follows a combination of to, a verb, and an object. He washed the dishes, cleaned the floor, and watered the plants. Explanation. Each action is a past tense verb followed by a noun. The manager said we must work hard, meet deadlines, and show respect. All phrases begin with the base verb work, meet, show, and follow the same command style. 5 examples of sentences that are not parallel. She enjoys reading novels, to paint portraits, and cooking. Explanation. The first activity ends with ing, the second is a combination of to and the verb, and the third again ends with ing. Therefore, not a parallel sentence. The guide was helpful, patient, and knew a lot about history. Explanation. There are two adjectives, helpful and patient, but the third one, knew a lot, is a verb phrase, not a parallel sentence. My weekend plans include hiking, going to a movie, and I might meet some friends. Explanation. The first two are noun phrases ending with ing, and the third one is a full clause, not a parallel sentence. He wants to study math, learn programming, and a good job in the future. The first two are verbs. The third is a noun phrase, not balanced and therefore not a parallel sentence. The room was quiet, clean, and had enough light. Explanation. Quiet and clean are adjectives, but had enough light is a verb phrase, not a parallel sentence. Coming back to the main question, what does parallel mean here in terms of grammar? It means using the same pattern or structure for different parts of a sentence. The words used with the same pattern or the same structure are either related or connected. Not parallel. Running to jog, biking. Parallel. Running, jogging, biking. Not parallel. Eat healthy to sleep well, exercising daily. Parallel. Eat healthy, sleep well, exercise daily. I hope with the examples that I have listed, you have understood what are parallel sentences and you can identify the sentences that are parallel or not parallel. If you found the video helpful, please like it or subscribe to my channel so that you receive a notification whenever I upload such videos. Thanks for watching.